If you use Yahoo Mail and want to stay organized, creating folders is one of the easiest ways to manage your inbox. In this video, I'll show you how to create a folder on Yahoo Mail step by step so you can sort messages, separate important emails, and keep everything much easier to find. This is a simple process, and once you know where to click, you can make new folders in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where Yahoo Mail keeps your folders, labels, and mailbox options. To create a new folder, find the option that says New Folder and click it. If you don't see it right away, look a little lower in the sidebar near your folder list, because that is where Yahoo usually places it. After you click New Folder, a small box or window will appear asking you to name the folder. This is where you decide what the folder will be used for. For example, you might name it Work Receipts, Clients, School, Travel, or anything else that helps you stay organized. Try to choose a name that makes sense at a glance, because the goal is to make your inbox easier to manage later. Now type the folder name into the field provided. Make sure it is spelled the way you want it to appear in your folder list, because this is the name you'll see every time you use it. If you want to create several folders for different categories, you can repeat this same process for each one. That makes it very easy to separate personal emails from work messages, newsletters, or saved important emails. Once the folder name is entered, click Save. Yahoo Mail will create the folder instantly and add it to your folder list in the left sidebar. You should now see your new folder available and ready to use. At this point, you can start moving emails into it, organizing future messages, or using it as a place to store specific conversations. If you want to use the new folder right away, simply drag and drop emails into it, or open an email and choose the Move option if you prefer. This is a great way to clean up your inbox and keep your most important messages grouped together. Over time, folders can make a huge difference in how fast you find emails and how organized your Yahoo Mail account feels. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a folder on Yahoo Mail. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you a lot of time and stress when your inbox starts filling up. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.